Let me show you something that's happening every single day at commercial lending teams across the country and how GPT-5 changes it completely. Here we are inside Salesforce. This is an account record for one of our borrowers, Pacific Manufacturing Industries. Somewhere in this process, a loan officer collected the application, attached to the account right over here, and now someone on the team needs to review it before it moves forward. Traditionally, what happens next? A commercial officer or a processor opens that PDF, which looks something like this. It will go through all the 5 sections of it: credit request, entity info, signatures. They build a checklist manually, flag the issues, write up a summary, and email it back. That's about 30 to an hour per application. On a busy week, when there are dozens of applications, the error slipping through 3% is really high. Watch what happens with GPT-5. We're still on the same account record. The loan application is attached over here. I click one button, GPT-5 console. I choose a prompt, loan application compliance check. I attach the particular PDF that I want to be analyzed, and I'm going to run GPT-5. GPT-5 reads the document, applies our compliance logic, and returns the structured result right here inside Salesforce. I don't switch a tab, I don't copy paste, and I'm not creating any manual checklist. Within seconds, look what we have here. GPT-5 went through the document. 8 out of 12 sections are complete. 2 critical issues flagged. Critical entity TIN is missing. Signatures are missing. These are deal blockers, the kind of thing that would either kill the file at underwriting or bounce it back 2 weeks later. The section review, the GPT-5 went through each section in the PDF, credit request, property, borrower, entity, and mapped what is complete, what is partial, what is completely missing. And we have an extracted data snapshot and the next steps right here: provide TIN for entity, obtain co-borrower information, obtain signatures. What just happened here is significant, not just as a technology demo, but as a business outcome. This task took a trained person about 30 to 45 minutes to an hour, got done under 10 seconds, consistently, every time, without fatigue, without a bad day, without missing page 4 of an application. And for commercial lending teams processing 50 to 100 applications a month, you're looking at recovering hundreds of hours, catching critical deficiencies before the file ever goes to underwriting, which means fewer bounce backs, faster closing, and happier borrowers. And because this lives inside Salesforce, it's connected to everything else: the account history, the relationship, the pipeline. Your compliance review is not a separate system, it's part of the deal record. This is GPT-5. This is a 100% Salesforce native solution. You don't require no data cloud, no Agentforce license to use this. GPT-5 enables you to use your models, your logic, your Salesforce, and enable AI that actually works where your team already is. If you like this demo and want to see your particular use cases in action, do book a demo with us, and we would love to have a conversation with you. Thank you so much.